Yes, I'm Ferry de la Cruz, team leader sa leasing department. Maybe more than 8 years already now, 2025. Siyempre, the work itself, the people, and the culture, and especially the benefits. I feel like there's a sense of belonging and feeling appreciated. There is trust and fostering transparent communication that makes me stay long here in this company. Okay, just relax, embrace challenges, stay curious, be friendly, and be a team player. Be honest and learn as much as you can. Kung hindi mo alam, magtanong.